Hello everybody. I'm going to show you in a quick video tutorial how you can connect Quriobot with Quriobot to receive data from Google Sheets and make a response on Quriobot. So I want to collect this data and I want to show it into Quriobot. So let's refresh it. As you can see, I already did it. And you're going to see that the data is collected from the Google Sheets. And when I want to change it, then I go simply to in here and change it to, for example, A2, and then it must be this data. So let's see how the response is now. So it was Marco. Okay, I made a little mistake. Let's see what I did wrong. C2. And we're going to run it. And then when we see the bot responding, it's going to say nothing because it's empty. But when we are changing it into B2 and run it once again, so I run it, and then when we go in to the bots, then we're going to receive it again, Marco. B2, and then it's B number 3, B number 3, and we hit OK, and we run it once again. So what you have to do is run into Quriobot, otherwise it won't work. And then when you're going to see the bot, it will give you the name Pete. So that's basically what you can do. And what you have to do is copy this URL. If you don't know exactly how the things work, then I recommend you to watch the other tutorials that I've made with Quriobot and Google Sheets and Quriobot. You can find it on the channel. But anyway, when you have done that, then you can copy the link and you have to embed a little bit of code that you can find on the Quriobot Academy. So it's how to use external data from Google Sheets into your botshot text and response. Copy this one. Then you go to the bot settings and you go to the variables and you paste it in here and replace this webhook with the webhook from Quriobot, so this one. Now be aware because it's not what we have done in the previous video where we have embedded the webhook in here and we have chosen for the Johnson webhook, and then we ended here the values, so the email, the first name, the second name, and so on. So that's when you start the bots, then Quriobot will send data to Google Sheets. That was the other tutorial, so you don't have to use this. You cannot use this. So drop it away now. So it doesn't work that way. And put this on developer modes. Now don't gonna show you in details how you can make the steps and the variables and how you can connect it with the bot, because I've already made those tutorials and I recommend you to watch the other tutorials. But the scenario that in this case that we have to use in this case is first the webhook, and we have connected with Quriobot. Then we made a Google Sheet. We connected with the Google Sheet that we want to use. So this is the name of the sheet itself, and this one is the paragraph, and you can find it under here in the button of the page. And these are the cells. So B3 was this one, B1, 2. Now this is 3 because it's all the row, they count also the row. So there's 1, 2, 3. And then you hit OK. Then you have to embed the JSON file, and you've chosen A1. Google, the sheet that you have to use is Google Sheet, not the webhook. And then the value, you have to input value, and you can see here bit, because this bit was from B3, and you can see it here. There's bit. Okay, and then when you have to go to the last step is to a webhook response, and you have to embed the JSON string, and you push OK, and then everything will work. Put is on, runs it one time and starts the bot one time, and then everything should working fine. The next time that I'm going to make a tutorial about Quriobot and Google Sheets is without Integromat. And what we're going to learn then, or what I'm going to show you, is that you can have voicers, and when somebody enters this voicer, then the bot will respond if it's correct or it's not correct. And when it's correct, then the bot will go on, and when it's incorrect, then it says the answer is wrong, of the voucher doesn't exist. So this is for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.